Hello students, today we will go for exercise 7.2 to find cube root of any number, any cubic number. So to find the cube root, before that we will consider about the cube root of any cubic number. Like 1 cube is equal to 1. That means cube of 1 is 1. We can write it as the cubic number is 1, the cube root of 1. We can represent it by 1 by 3 power, or we can represent it by the root 3, that is cube root of 1, it's equals to 1. Similarly, the cube of 2 is 8, that means cubic number is 8. So the cube root of 8 is cube root of 8. We can represent by these two methods the cube roots of any number, any cubic number. So it's equals to 2. The cube of 3 is 27, that means cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 4 is 64, so cube root of 64 is 4. Similarly, we can go for further part also, like 5 cube, it's equal to 125. So 125 cube root. We can write the 125 cube root as 125 power 1 by 3, or we can show it as 125 cube root is equal to 5. So by this way we can find the cube root of any cubic number. We can show the cube root of any cubic number. So there are two methods to find cube roots. First is prime factorization method and second is estimated method. हम एक तो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड करते हुए और एक एस्टिमेटेड मेथड, एस्टिमेट मतलब हम गैस करेंगे, बाय गेसिंग वी कैन फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के अंदर, लाइक टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64 वी विल गो फॉर द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 64. सो राइट इट इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. वी वांट टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट, तो पेयर्स बना लीजिए 3 3 के. 2 पेयर्स कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं, 1 पेयर इसमें से, 1 पेयर इसमें से, 1 एलिमेंट और 1 डिजिट. सो 2 into 2 4, the 4 is the cube root of 64. This way we can find the cube root. And by estimated method, for example, if we have 4913, हम इसमें another method कर रहे हैं, without calculation कह सकते हैं हम इसको. तो cube root by without calculation or without prime factorization. So without prime factorization, how can we find the cube root of any number? So for this we have the number as 4913. So to find the cube root of 4913, firstly we'll make a pair of 3 digits from extreme right. Extreme right are 913. ये 3 का एक पेयर बनाएंगे and this one is left as it is. अब इसमें जो यूनिट डिजिट है that is 3. हम इस 3 के लिए चेक करेंगे कि ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसका क्यूबिक नंबर जो है वो 3 आता है. हमने 1 का क्यूब किया, एज वी नो 1. 2 क्यूब इज 8, 3 क्यूब इज 27, 4 क्यूब इज 64, 5 क्यूब 125, 6 क्यूब 216, 7 क्यूब 49 and into 7 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. So in this we have unit digit as 3 in 7. So in this case we will have 7 as a unit digit in the cube root of 4913. Now what about the 4? अब 4 के लिए हम इसमें क्या करेंगे कि वो नंबर फाइंड करेंगे जिसका जो क्यूबिक है हमारे पास दैट इज इन बिटवीन 4। 1 का क्यूब 1 है, 2 का क्यूब 8 है, इन दोनों के बिटवीन हमारे पास नंबर देखना है। ये 4 जो आता है दैट इज इन बिटवीन 1 क्यूब एंड 2 क्यूब, और इन दोनों में स्मॉलर नंबर 1 है, दैट मीन्स द रिजल्ट इज 1। सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4913 is equal to 17. It's a estimation method. We are guessing that it can be a cube root. You can check whether it's a cube root or not. Multiply 17 into 17 into 17. You will get the result. If it is 4913, then it's our answer is accurate. So you can find it. So these are the methods to find the cube root. On this base, we have exercise 7.2. In this part, question number 1, second part is 512. To find the cube root of 512, we will go for the factorization method. It divided by 2, 2, 5, 6, 2, 2, 8, 54, 64, 32, divide by 2, 16, divide by 2, 8, divide by 2, 4, divide by 2, 2, and divide by 2, it's 1. So the product of the prime factorization of 512s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and 9 times of 2. Make the pairs of 3 digits of prime factorization. Now the cube root of 512 is, or we can show in this form also, 512, it's 2 into 2 into 2, the result is 8. Question number first part I consult in example also, so you can solve according to that way. Similarly, we have another question number 6. The first question, part 6 is 13824. Now 13824, go for the prime factorization. 13824 divided by 2, 2 6 the 12, 2 9 the 18, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7, 2 2 the 4, 2 8 the 16, 8 6 4, 4 3 2, 2 1 6, 1 0 8, 5 4, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 21, 3 3 the 9, and 1. So the prime factorization of these numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times of 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and 3 times of 3. Make the pair of 3 digits. Now the cube root of 13824 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, it's 24. The result is 24. Cube root of 13824 is 24. Similar method, you just try to solve these questions. If you have any doubt, then you can consult or write in comment box also. Second question is about true false statements. Cube of any odd number is even. No. We already in previous section studied that if there is an odd number, then the cube of odd number is also odd number, and even number, the cube of even number is also even number. So it's a false statement. Cube of any odd number is not even, it's odd. A perfect cube does not end with two zeros. Yeah, if a perfect cube is there, it does not end with two zeros, it ends with three zeros. So it's a true statement. So by this way you just solve these or read these statements, and whether it's true or false, you just write it and try to write the right answer. Like if any statement is false, then you just write why it's false. जैसे इसमें हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट किया, क्यूब ऑफ एनी ऑड नंबर इज इवन, इट्स ए फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज क्यूब ऑफ एनी ऑड नंबर इज ऑलवेज ऑड, नॉट इवन. सो इस तरह से आपने उसका रीजन लिखना है व्हाई इट्स फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. सो अगर आप रीजन लिखोगे, इट मीन्स आपने इसको रीड किया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने सॉल्व किया है. और अगर डायरेक्ट ट्रू फॉल्स लिखोगे, दैट मीन्स यू डिडंट रीड इट, जस्ट कॉपी इट फ्रॉम आंसर की. So try to solve them. Next we have question number 3. Question number 3 is, without prime factorization we want to find cube root of, by guess find the cube root of like 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. So to find the cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8, first of all, from the unit digits, make the pair of 3 digits. That's the 3 digits, and left are only 2 digits. In these 3 digits, the unit place is 8. Find in which the cubic number we have 8 as a unit place. So if we go for 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, we will find the 8 in 2. So its unit digit must be 2. The cube root of, we want to find the cube root of 32,768. So its unit digit in cube root is 2. Now we want to find 32. Just go for further part also. Which number is the cube of two numbers is either ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर किसी नंबर का क्यूब करें तो वो दो नंबर्स ऐसे कौन से हैं जिनके बिटवीन 32 आता है. सो फाइंड द नंबर इन विच द 32 कम्स. सो जिनके क्यूबिक्स के बिटवीन हमारे पास 32 आ रहा है. सो विल गो फॉर लाइक 3 क्यूब, 27, 4 cube, it's 64. So 27 and 64, 3 cube and 4 cube के between है. And as we know 32 is in between 27 and 64. So the number which is smaller than 3 and 4 is 3. So the tens place will be 3. 32 will be the cube root of given part. How will you write it? First part, आपने इस फॉर्म में लिखना है. In 768, unit digit is 8. As we know, 2 cube is equal to 8. Hence, cube root have ones place two. Second step, we find that 3 cube equals to 27 and 4 cube equals to 64. 32 is in between 27 and 64. Smaller number is 3 hands, tens place have 3. Now 3 2 7 6 8 cube root will be 32. So by this way you have to solve the question number 3. Question number 3 also have 3 to 4 numbers. So to find the cube root by guessing method or by estimated method, so you just try to solve by this way. This is your exercise 7.2. Try to solve it with example. If you have any doubt, then you can consult with me in your consultant class. Next we will go for 8th chapter. Thank you.